G'day chefs and welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're making a truly indulgent treat, the ultimate mud cake. This cake is intensely chocolatey, incredibly moist, and guaranteed to satisfy any sweet tooth. Let's get baking. Here's what you'll need: butter, dark chocolate, caster sugar, brown sugar, milk, eggs, vanilla, flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, salt, and a little instant coffee if you want to enhance the chocolate flavour. For full measurements, check out the description. Now, melt the butter and dark chocolate together. You can use the double boiler or short bursts in the microwave, stirring in between. Into a large bowl, add the sugars and coffee granules. Next, add in the eggs, followed by the milk and vanilla. After a quick whisk, incorporate the melted chocolate and butter. Whisk until fully combined. Now we add the dry ingredients: flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and salt. Gently mix these dry ingredients into the wet mixture until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Pour the batter into your prepared tin and spread it evenly. Bake for 80 to 90 minutes or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the tin for 20 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack. Once cooled, you can dust it with powdered sugar, top it with ganache, or add your favorite frosting. Check out my YouTube channel where I make this deliciously fudgy cake into rum balls, but I make it with peat whiskey. This is pure chocolate bliss.